Hello again, friends. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am checking out some cutting boards. These are the SHURFFY kitchen cutting board set. Alright. Is that it for the box? Pretty big box. And this is what we get here, my friends. Kitchen and baking life. So it comes with a little knife. That's kind of cool. Is it like a plastic knife? That's interesting. All right. Let's get these little guys out of here, shall we? You're free. All right, what do we got here? It's like a plastic knife. What is this for? Just for fruits and stuff? Okay, it's pretty sharp. Oh, there it is. That's kind of cool. All right, we have a little sticker there. I thought it was instructions for the cutting board. So we have a little tiny one here. It's pretty squared away. Let me see. Yes. So it has little silicone pads there on both sides, and they protrude just a hair above that. So if you place them on something, it's not going to slide around. So that's pretty cool. We have some other ones, plastic ones. They're just all plastic. You put them down, and they slide all over your countertop with, I should put this on my desk. Oh, yeah, that's working pretty good. Let's see if I can give you guys a visual there. Okay, and this has 3 different sizes here. They have this nice little handle. They have this kind of groove around there to catch. I think those are for, like, if you're cutting vegetables or tomatoes or something, that the juice just runs in there instead of just running off your cutting board onto your counter or something like that. So this is what I was talking about. It's got those little things help it from sliding around on here. The silicone grabs on there and is good to go. So these look like they're pretty nice there. And yeah, it looks like a nice little set. I like the handles here. I believe these are dishwasher safe. Yes, indeed. So just plastic and silicone when you're done. I like the smaller one. Sometimes you get like giant cutting boards and they're just kind of inconvenient. Not only that, they're kind of difficult to wash too. I think some of the other ones we have are almost 2 feet by 1 foot, so they're a good size. I prefer the smaller ones like this. Just put one little onion on there and chop it up or whatever. But these are a good size. They thought about stuff. The handle, like non-slip handle. So you could hang these on the wall or whatever if you wanted. Throw them in the dishwasher when you're done. So pretty convenient there. And then it comes with this complimentary little knife thing. So yeah, seems like a nice little deal here, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you later.